What's up, guys? This is Higgins from Legal Automations. I'm on a quest to try out every filament in every color, and on today's episode, we're taking a look at eSun's basic PLA in cold white. So one of the things I do like about eSun is the cardboard spools, as you can see here. One of the things I'm not a huge fan of is there's no tabs or anything to get the spool open, so gotta get the Treston knife out, and we rip that open. And basically, we're going to go ahead and take a look at this cold white. This is eSun's basic PLA, like I said. Get that knife closed just for safety. Anyway, as you know, over here at Legal Automations, we always end up drying our filament for about 6 hours, just in case there's any moisture from the factory. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done, and I will see you in about 6 hours. Alright, so as you know, here at Legal Automations, we always start out whenever working with new filament by printing with the generic settings for the filament type. We print out a benchy. It should take a little under an hour for that one. So we're going to get that done, as well as all the other test prints, and I'll show you the results here shortly. Alright, so we have the benchy. The benchy turned out very well. No real major issues there. Maybe a little bit with some of the overhangs there, as usual. Nothing super major or anything like that. So we're going to see what we can do to get that fixed. Next up, we have the dimensional cube, 40 by 40 by 40 millimeters cubed. Nothing really to write home about, just make sure everything's good with the printer. Next up, we printed the temp tower, and the temperature tower here for PLA, this one looks around 195, maybe 205, so somewhere around that. I suggest 205 for this one. Overhang test, no stringing, nothing like that. Everything looks fine. As for the max volumetric speed test, this one ended up looking okay. No real major issues here. Had a little bit slower. I think this one worked out to be around 28 millimeters per second cubed. The overhang test, which is, I apologize, the retraction test was earlier. This one failed. Just something to be on the outlook for whatever reason. Anyway, we got the settings dialed in, and this was the benchy's result. Everything looks pretty good. No real major issues there. We're able to rectify some of those overhangs. All right, so time of filming, this is under $15. Basically pretty good if you're looking to start out the hobby. PLA is pretty good filament to start out, and if you need a cool white, this is something that you can take a look at that for that. Anyway, as for the actual filament itself, like I said, for less than $15, pretty good starter filament. If you need a cool white kind of filament, this one you can't go wrong with. So hopefully, anyway, this has been eSun's PLA Basic in Cold White. If you like this type of content, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm a new channel. I'm not taking sponsorships right now or anything like that, so I'd appreciate your support. Anyway, this has been Higgins with Legal Automations, and I hope to see you here on the next time. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the nice YouTube things. See you soon.